In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click security and privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on biometrics. Click face recognition and enter your screen lock. Now hit continue. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!